viewers, I am Advocate K. Rawat from Lexington Company. Today we are going to talk about electronic records as evidence. The Indian Evidence Act Section 65 specifies the admissibility of secondary evidence. In particular cases, Section 65B specifies the procedure of proving the contents of electronic records which have been laid down under Section 65B. Admissibility of electronic record mentioned as per Section 65B of Indian Evidence Act specifies that the printed any information of electronic record on a paper or created a copy of that record or any optical or magnetic media shall also be deemed to be a secondary evidence document if it satisfies the condition mentioned under Section 65B and original source of that information, that is electronic devices, shall also be admissible without any further proof in any proceedings of the court of law. Essentially, elements of electronic evidence as per the Indian Evidence Act are as follows. Number 1, such produced information of electronic record should be produced by the person having legally authorized to have control over that electronic device. Number 2, the storage of information must take place during the day-to-day general course of the act of that person. Number 3, that stored information has been stored on that electronic device during the day-to-day general course of action of that person. Number 4, while storing or copying of that material information, the said electronic device must be in a functioning state to avoid any possible negative impact on its operation or distort in the accuracy and authenticity of its material contents. Number 5, any kind of storage or copying or making counterpart of the information required for the production in the court of law as electronic evidence should be free from any kind of distortion or manual edit or manipulation. It must be the authentic and trustworthy information which may get admitted as evidence in the court of law. I hope you are pretty much clear with the concept of electronic record as evidence. If not so, then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts of this particular session. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.